Now, we are going to see about recurring payments. Point number 1. So from magazines, utilities to software and digital services, the subscription model is more popular than ever. Why is subscription model more popular? It is due to steady cash flow and other advantages that come with recurring payments. Now, recurring payments are helpful both to the business as well as to the customers. Business owners receive their payments on time and cut down on administrative cost. Customers don't need to open and act on their invoices every billing cycle. And once a recurring payment system is set in, the funds will be automatically debited from customer's account on time. Now, what is a recurring payment? Recurring payment is a payment model where customers authorize the merchant to pull the funds from their accounts automatically at regular intervals for the goods and services provided to them on ongoing basis. Now what happens? Customers give permission, this amount will be automatically deducted at predefined intervals until the customer is retracting the permission or the subscription expires. There are two types of recurring payments. First is regular or fixed recurring payments. The second is irregular or variable payments. What is fixed or regular payments? The customers are charged same amount each time. Example, gym membership, magazine subscription, etc. What about variable payments or irregular payments? The amount charged is subjected to change based on customers' usage of product or service. For example, electricity bill and other utility bills. They change month on month based on the consumption. So electricity bills and utility bills change month on month based on consumption. Now, how do recurring payments work? Point number 1. Recurring payments are collected automatically from customers' bank accounts via their payment cards or through other methods like ACH, direct debit, etc. To accept these payments, the business must have a merchant account and a payment service provider, PSP. Now, what is merchant account? It's a type of bank account that allows businesses to accept payments from customers' account. Now, what will happen the next step? The amount is debited from the customer's account and gets deposited first in the merchant's account and then transferred to the business's bank account. Now, what is the payment service provider handling, PSP? The payment service provider handles various aspects of payment processing, from collecting recurring payments on behalf of merchants and processing them securely to deposit the amount in businesses' bank accounts. Now, what are the benefits of recurring payments? Benefits. First benefit, recurring payment reduce late payments and collection time. Point number 2, They cut down on the costs. With regard to what? They cut down on the costs associated with manual invoicing and payment processing. Third, improve customer relationship. Then fourth, defend against fraud. Now, in today's world, the recurring revenue model is driving growth in diverse industries, from personal grooming to pet food, covering businesses of every size and type. Now, most important of them is utility providers. Providing recurring payment option to pay taxes and utility bills like electricity, gas, water, and phone bills. So what happens is they are collected promptly. And many types of membership based business. Membership based business. They use recurring payments. Example, gyms, learning courses, co-working spaces, etc. And thirdly, subscription business. Wide range of businesses are now using subscription model. It can be found in services like newspapers and also in streaming media. Recurring payments can also be used in personal financial services. Now, what happens in personal financial services? Let's go that in detail. Personal financial services. Now, what happens in personal financial services? A certain fixed amount is deducted from customer's salary account. And then transferred to pay general insurance, loan repayment, mutual investments at regular intervals. With this arrangement, the financial service provider does not have to manually follow up with the customer to ask how much they want to debit from their bank account every month. A classic example of this is UPI Auto Pay, which is followed in India. What does this do? It allows the customers to set up electronic payments for multiple use cases. Example, insurance premium payment, loan installments, and mutual fund investment. What should the customer do? Customer has to set up a electronic mandate, e-mandate, with their insurance company and select the bank account to be debited and agree to the payment terms. Now, what is the next step? Customer authenticates the mandate and auto pay function will be enabled. At periodic intervals, selected amount will be deducted from the customer's account and transferred to the insurance company automatically. Now, what is the conclusion? The recurring payment system is convenient for both customers and businesses. Not only it enhances a positive customer experience, but also it ensures a stable cash flow for the business.